Here's a look at the Atlantis B-25 Mitchell World War II bomber. It can be decal sheet for the Flying Dragon and Doolittle Raider. Got it at Hobby Lobby. It's regularly $19.99. I used my 40% off coupon, so it ended up being a great deal. It's a really nice kit for the price, or appears to be. Of course, until I actually start to build it, I won't really know. But anyway, we'll get started here soon. And here are the sprues for the Atlantis B-25 Mitchell kit. The sprues, it looks like it's up to date too, but I don't know what the older ones, except the ones I've seen on YouTube, are. But they look like a different, darker color, and I guess more modern or something. I guess they redid them or something, maybe. I know they said these are older kits. There's the decals for the Dragon, and then ones for the Doolittle. You basically leave the Dragon decals off. I think you can get some third-party ones too for Doolittle, but all the pictures I've seen, the Doolittle now doesn't have anything like that Dragon label. Here's a better shot of the parts. I'm looking forward to building this one after I finish the Atlantis B-29. Looks like it's going to be a fun kit, at least to me anyway. Here are the instructions for the B-25 Mitchell bomber. They must have reprinted them because they look really, really good. They're really clear. And I have the Atlantis B-29, and they're not glossy like this. It's just the old instructions, you know, on a regular sheet. But this is really, I mean, I know I shouldn't be so excited about instructions, but I like the fact that they're easily read. They've got hints on here about things, but the instructions are really good. Nice job on reprint. I hope they do this with all theirs. See how in the black things, like if you're gonna do something for like the Doolittle versions or the special instructions, you're gonna use it for carrier operations. It's really nice. Really, really clear instructions, which I'm very happy about. There's only, I think, 3 steps, even though there's multiple steps in each one. But like I said, excuse me, 4 counting the decals. Really impressed with the instructions. Really, really impressed. Till next time.